Greetings, everyone. The purpose of this video is to explore how to share your portfolio in Digication. So when you get to your portfolio, you'll notice this little hamburger in the upper right-hand corner. When you go here, I always recommend first publishing all of your pages. That way, anyone you share your portfolio with is able to see it. If you do not publish your pages, unfortunately, only part of your portfolio will be visible to your audience. After you've published your pages, the next step is to, in Settings, change your settings to make sure it is visible to everyone you want it to. So currently mine is set to private within the university. You can also make this private to you or public. Additionally, you can share with a specific course, or you can just have yourself be the administrator. I recommend, if you're just sharing the link, to make it public, which would mean it's viewable by everyone, but they can't edit it. If you do want them to be able to edit it, then you would go in and type in your course. So for example, if I was in an English 307 course where Digication is linked, I would then go through, I meant 308, and click on this, and then it would be shared with all the faculty and students who would be the viewer. If you want your instructor to be able to edit, you would change this to editor. If you do not want any of these folks to be able to see your portfolio, you can go through and exit out. Once you've determined who to share it with, you'll click Save Settings. From here, you can share the link easily via copy-paste. If you are just copy-pasting into D2L, this is how I recommend you do it. If you are submitting via Digication assignments, not D2L assignments, you will click Submit to Assignment, which will take you to your course. Overall, if you have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out.